Welcome to the top picks. The best Zep Bathroom Cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools in maintaining a sparkling clean bathroom, tackling tough soap scum, grime, and water stains with unparalleled efficiency, ensuring your shower, tub, and tiles look as good as new with minimal effort, making it a must-have for any household aiming for pristine bathroom hygiene and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Discover the power of the pink stuff, your new go-to for a sparkling clean home. This miracle cleaning paste tackles tough messes with ease. Say goodbye to stubborn grime and hello to effortless shine. Its unique formula works wonders on various surfaces, making cleaning a breeze. From kitchens to bathrooms, this paste is your all-in-one solution. It effectively removes dirt, grease, and stains, leaving everything looking like new. Experience a powerful clean without harsh chemicals. It's gentle on surfaces but tough on dirt, providing a safe and effective cleaning experience. Join countless satisfied customers who love its amazing results. Get ready to be impressed by the difference it makes in your cleaning routine. Bring home the magic of the pink stuff today. Achieve a brilliant clean that you'll love, effortlessly and effectively. What we like. This paste is a true all-rounder for tough grime. If you're looking for a single product to tackle multiple cleaning challenges around your home, this is it. Its unique formula makes it ideal for those who appreciate a product that works hard without harsh fumes. What people say. It works great on soap scum. It removed the hard water stains from my shower doors. This cleaner is effective at removing mildew and grime. Number 4. Drillbrush Power Scrubber Brush Kit. Tired of scrubbing by hand? Transform your drill into a powerful scrubber that cuts cleaning time in half. These attachments are easy to use and install quickly, perfect for everyone. Our attachments power through tough grime on tubs, tiles, and sinks without scratching surfaces. Get a sparkling clean in your bathroom, kitchen, or garage. Each scrub brush is built for longevity, crafted from durable materials that hold up through tough cleaning sessions. They are made to last, no matter the task. These cleaning brushes rinse off easily after use, making post-job cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to grimy sponges and hello to a cleaner, easier solution. Crafted by cleaning enthusiasts, our products are trusted by millions. Experience the difference with the inventor of drill attachment scrub brush products. Use these attachments on bathtubs, tiles, grout lines, sinks, and more. They are perfect for a variety of household cleaning tasks. What we like. Tired of back-breaking scrubbing? This set turns your drill into a cleaning powerhouse, cutting your effort and time significantly. If you have large areas to clean or struggle with the physical strain of manual scrubbing, these attachments are a game-changer for a sparkling finish. What people say. It is a good cleaner. It works well. It is a good cleaner and it works well. Number 3. Oh Yuck Jetted Tub Cleaner for Jacuzzis, Bathtubs and Whirlpools. Tired of grime and buildup in your jetted tub? Our powerful cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest messes. It effectively dissolves body oils and soap scum, leaving your tub sparkling clean. This cleaner penetrates deep to reach all the hidden areas, including your jets. It ensures a thorough clean without any harsh scrubbing required. Enjoy a truly refreshed bathing experience. Get a spotless tub in just 15 minutes. Simply add it to your water, run the jets, and drain. It's that easy to achieve a deep clean. Worry-free cleaning is here. Our formula is septic safe, so you can use it with confidence. It's effective yet gentle on your plumbing system. Experience the quality of a product made right here in the USA. We are committed to providing effective and reliable cleaning solutions for your home. Whether you have a jacuzzi, bathtub, or whirlpool, this cleaner is your go-to solution. It's specifically formulated to handle the unique cleaning needs of these fixtures. What we like. For those with jetted tubs or whirlpools, this cleaner is a must-have. If you want to deep clean your jets and remove hidden oils and scum without any manual effort, this product is designed for you. It's perfect for maintaining the hygiene of your spa-like bathing experience with minimal fuss. What people say. It works great on soap scum. It removed the hard water stains and left the shower looking like new. Number 2. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, 3 PCS. Introducing the SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, your new go-to for stubborn messes. Its durable construction ensures it can handle even the biggest cleaning challenges. Designed with a narrow head, this brush effortlessly reaches into tight gaps and corners. It makes cleaning dust and debris in hard-to-reach areas a breeze. From grout lines and windowsills to sink corners and appliance gaskets, this brush is perfect for countless cleaning tasks. It's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and beyond. Experience a more comfortable grip with its non-slip handle and pliable bristles. These brushes make your cleaning life easier and protect your hands. Save space with the convenient hanging hole on each brush. They dry easily and store compactly, perfect for any home. Looking for a practical gift? These cleaning brushes are ideal for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Father's Day. Give the gift of a cleaner home. What we like? Don't let grime hide in the nooks and crannies. This brush is specifically designed for those hard-to-reach gaps and corners. If you're meticulous about cleaning every inch of your bathroom or kitchen, especially grout lines and tight edges, this tool will make those tedious tasks much easier. What people say. It cleans soap, scum, and grime effectively. The spray nozzle provides good coverage. It leaves surfaces looking shiny and new. Number 1. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner. Tired of tough bathroom grime? Discover the cleaning power of the pink stuff. It's designed to tackle your toughest bathroom messes. Say goodbye to stubborn limescale. This powerful foam cleaner effectively removes it, leaving your surfaces looking like new. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free shine with every use. Enjoy a cleaner, brighter bathroom with minimal effort. Not only does it clean, but it also helps prevent future limescale buildup. Keep your bathroom sparkling for longer. The convenient foam spray makes application a breeze. Just spray and wipe for a truly miraculous clean. Experience the miracle cleaning action for yourself. The pink stuff makes bathroom cleaning simple and effective. What we like? Achieve a brilliant, spotless shine with minimal wiping. This foam cleaner actively tackles limescale and leaves surfaces gleaming without streaks. If you desire a bathroom that looks professionally cleaned and want to prevent future buildup with ease, this is your go-to solution. What people say. It really works on soap, scum, and hard water stains. This cleaner is very effective at removing mildew and grime. The spray nozzle provides a good, even coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.